Hi guys, my name is Namatov Maimuna Hayat. I am Ugandan and I am a recent law graduate.
Hello, my name is Aminata Hannah Kamara. I am from Sierra Leone and I'm a recent graduate like Mai.
Can you give context to the meme? I feel like it depends. Okay, am I allowed to say I feel like all these are like objective questions? Anyway, I think it depends on what the context that the meme is being released in and the content of the meme. Because it could be slander, it could be libel, you could be saying things that could be used against my campaign or something. What's that word called? There's a word for it.
What?
Not a slander, yeah, defamation of character.
My own is that you're right. My own is that it varies on the type of laws where your country is. If your country, when it comes to this type of thing, is seen as defamation. Okay, because when it comes to public figures, it's actually kind of have different countries have different type of way they view when it comes to defamation cases. Because a lot of celebrities or a lot of public figures will get up and be like, oh yeah, you defame me, you do this, you do that, you do this. But a lot of them want to win in the public eyes, the public court, than that court inside. So like sometimes maybe the public figure will say, okay, no problem, I will sue you for this. Okay, because you can sue. There are grounds for these things, grounds of defamation, like you just said, and everything. There are grounds for everything. You can sue, like you correctly said. But it depends on. I feel like it depends on the type of laws that is in your country. But yeah.
So, in conclusion, we both think it's a reputation issue. How affected is my reputation by that meme?
Yeah.
Are we near the answer? Yeah. For fun, can you legally marry your best friend for fun? Legally marry? That question doesn't make sense because if you're legally married, you've already gone through the procedures of a marriage. So for fun, that's it, fun. That was enough to get you married. Done it legally. You guys are married. You guys are married for fun, for money, for anything, for anything. You guys are married. Is that the question? Or
maybe
where we're supposed to
maybe we don't know. The thing is, the only thing I would say is that maybe it depends on the country laws, because different countries have different type of laws. It's just not. But yeah, what's the true or false again?
It doesn't matter the reason you marry.
It doesn't matter, but yes, true. You should choose true or false. So
when you marry when they are drunk, so what's
and it's still legal.
Yeah.
And pay tax.
So what's the answer?
No, it's not illegal. Why is this supposed to be illegal? It's not legal to cheat in a relationship.
I'll give my answer. It depends. You will not have the action of cheating itself is not the issue. The consequences of that cheating. So if, let me say, you're married and you cheat on your spouse, there could be civil consequences. For example, for divorce, one of the grounds is cheating, so it could be used against you. Then if you suffer any sort of depression after, you can get, what are those doses called? Pecuniary doses. This one's for when you've suffered badly, like emotional. Yeah, but you have to prove that the disease or like the depression was caused by the cheating.
So you want to say that it comes for only marriages, not
other relationships. It can be for, even if it's like my boyfriend and my boyfriend cheated with me, and I got into depression.
Yeah.
And the depression, I can prove that the depression was caused by them. Yes, it can work.
I don't accept that. It can. To me, you're correct. The first instance, it happened for marriage. I didn't think about that. But when it comes to relationship, when it comes to like just boyfriend and girlfriend relationship, you don't like. Okay, so if it's in the boyfriend and girlfriend relationship, it happens that the person assaults you or whatever it is. But when it comes to cheating, it's not there. It's not there. It's not supposed to.
So the question is it illegal?
Yes, it's not. It's not
It's
illegal.
not illegal, but there are consequences to it that could be legal. Does that make sense?
Consequences to it when it comes to what? Marriage. But when and just
That's
my God doesn't work.
When I did say cheating on your partner in a relationship, you didn't describe the relationship. So
That's it. That's what I said. That's what I'm saying. In like you. That's why I say you're correct in the first part, saying that when it comes to marriage, yes. But when it comes to that's a no. If the question should have specified saying that marriage, I should have said okay, no problem. But you can give 2 examples like what you started giving. When it comes to marriage, yes. Cheating can be a consequence. It can be illegal. But when it comes to boyfriend and girlfriends, I don't think so.
did I say pecuniary or punitive?